Hi guys! So today I'm going to be going over how to do graphs and charts in Google Sheets. And we're going to start off. I have just a very basic chart here in Google Sheets that I've created for us to use. And it's called Semester Grade Report. So I'm going to highlight the information that I want to be in our graph. So I'm going to highlight from column C, row 2, all the way down to column D, row 7. Okay, and then at the bottom right you'll see this little box with a star in it, and when I move over it, it says explore, and if I move away, then you just see the box with the star. So when I click on that, it brings up this explore bar. At the top it gives me some basic information about my chart, and then it gives me some formatting options so I can change how my chart looks. Then below that, it starts giving me graphs. Okay, so I have a bar graph here, a pie chart, and so if I want to use any of these, then I can click and just drag it over into my spreadsheet. Okay, and I can click the X here, and now I can move this wherever I want it in my spreadsheet. Okay, if I want to edit any of it, then I can double click, and I have a chart editor that comes up over here on the right. So for example, if I wanted to change the title, then I could go up here and put Hogwarts Grade Report, and I can change the font here if I wanted to. And I can change the font size. I can make it bold, italic, and change the color. And then I can close that, and you can see I have more things that I can customize along here. Now, you do not have to worry about any of this. What we did at the beginning with just creating it is good. Okay, you can change the size of it by going from the corners, remember. Okay, and so that's how you get a graph into your Google Sheets. If you have any questions, then feel free to reach out to Mrs. Neal or myself, and I hope you all have a great day.